How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna be reviewing this Hart toolkit from Walmart. It's a 1/4 inch set. Basically this is the casing. It's just a small case. It has the lock right here, and open the lock, and there it is. Basically it's all shallows. All shallow sockets, 1/4 inch ratchet. The sizes are from, oh, you can't really see that good right there, 532 all the way to right there, 9/16. And then on metric side is 15 to, I think it was 4. Yeah, 4. I think it's a 90 tooth ratchet. I'm not positive, honestly. I got it a while back. I just haven't really used it. As you see, it still looks pretty new. It feels good. And then the only thing I don't like about this, these sockets are a little hard to come out. Oh, there goes one. And then it got the engraving in there, heart and 7, which I like that because it's clearly visible. And they're all 6-point as well. But yeah, the only thing I don't really like about this kit is the fact that the sockets are a little hard to come out. Like, you literally have to pull hard to take them off. But I'm sure, you know, like with time, they'll wear down. The holdings will wear down and they'll be easy to come out. Hopefully it just doesn't wear down to the point where it falls out as soon as I open the case or something, you know. It is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 27-piece kit set. This is probably just a kit for like small things, like, I don't know, like hose clamps and possibly like interior for cars and stuff like that, like small bolts and stuff. It's nothing you can really use for heavy duty or regular, you know, things on a basis. But yeah, if this actually help you decide if you want to get this toolkit, just subscribe and like this video if you can. Thanks for watching.